It's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another review. Today I've got a trading tool alert. I haven't done one of these yet. This is the first on my channel, reviewing a trading tool that's going to help you take it to the next level. And what do I mean by that? Well, you see below me, it says the Better Trading View platform, and that's exactly what it is, because there are some tools in this vector trading platform that I haven't seen anywhere. And I'm telling you guys, you need to look into this. If you go over to vectorcrypto.com, you can go through all the benefits and see some of the details on this unique platform. Today, I will be going over the desktop version, which has the most tools. They do have a mobile app. They do have a web version as well. But I'm going over the desktop version, which they have available for Windows and Apple, because I want to show you guys the most you can get out of this platform. Their parent company, Neligica, is based out of Brazil, and they've been developing high-end software for many years within the financial market. And of course, security comes first with them, and this is all integrated into the vector trading platform that we're going to go over today. Look at this beautiful office space here in Brazil, that their corporate headquarters. Enough about the parent company. I really want to just give you guys some of the benefits that you will get if you sign up for and use this vector software. So you get over 100 technical indicators and oscillators, 30 plus tools, graphic studies that you can add to your charts, over 1,000 trading pairs on their platform, and that's crypto trading pairs, 350 on-chain data tools and data sets that you can look at and overlay onto your charts. I'm really excited to show you the on-chain data because I haven't seen that on TradingView. This is something that will give you a competitive edge, in my opinion, as a professional trader or one aspiring to be. This tool will help you take your trading to the next level, in my opinion. And so if any of you have used TradingView, you know how expensive they can get. Their pro level, I think, is over 70 bucks a month. Well, here you get the free basic. It's only $8 a month, pretty much. Standard, almost $19, and then the pro version, it's just shy of 25 bucks. And so if you use the link in the description of this video, you'll get an actual 30-day full free trial of the pro version or level of the platform, not 15 days. So take advantage of it. You might as well take it for a ride for 30 days and see how you like. With the pro version, you get all the nuts and bolts, all the features there that you don't get in all of the other pricing plans. You're going to want pro for sure because you get those crypto indicators, and I'll go over that. And the most important thing is that on-chain data. That is so freaking cool. I'm going to go over that part really and spend a lot of time in this video on that. Maybe I'll do another video in the future to go through some of the countless other features they have within the pro level of vector, but I gotta go over the on-chain data feature. That is just by far the sweetest thing I've seen yet. And again, before I get started, use that link in the description below. It'll take you to my personalized landing page for you to take advantage of that 30-day free trial for the pro level of the vector trading platform. This is not an exchange. It is a trading software tailored for you crypto traders out there. So get over there, use that link, and you'll get that 30 days. Only through my link, though. You won't get the 30 days using the public sign up page. You won't get it. So use that link in the description below to sign up after watching this video. I want to give you guys a quick tour of some of the most robust tools that I've seen in the crypto game. So again, I'm going to log into the desktop version and get the Vector Pro profile set up and locked and loaded so you guys can see what's going on here. And so I'm going to walk you through really quickly. I've kind of shown you some of the bells and whistles, but I want to double back and show you key areas and components of the vector platform. One being, this is very important because they're one of very few trading tools that allows you to integrate directly within a crypto exchange. You can integrate with Coinbase Pro, Binance, FTX, and even block fields. And you may be thinking, and I thought this is what I thought TradingView allowed you to integrate with some of these exchanges, but no, they do not. Vector is one of the very few tools in the crypto space where you can integrate with Binance, Coinbase Pro, FTX, and block fields. So those trading actions will be available right at your fingertips within the platform. You don't have to ever use your web browser, log in, figure out what to do and all of that. Nope, that's all at your fingertips. So you'll be able to connect and sync your exchange right from this window you see here. All you have to do is click that plus button to add an account, and it'll walk you through a step-by-step process for that. Once you've synced your account, you can go ahead and start placing your trades. You can do a market order if you want, a buy or sell market order. You can do a market limit order. That's right above there, and many other options there for you, all at your fingertips. And of course, here's the meat and potatoes, the graph. This is a very clean, I like personally the dark scheme. I'm more comfortable with that. It's easier on the eyes. I use that on other trading platforms. Here's your charts, very similar to a trading view, pretty self-explanatory there. And of course, all your orders are shown directly on the charts. All right, just like trading view. You're available. You can always at any time check your status, your balance, your open P&L, daily P&L, all that is right there in that pane right below the order section. And in addition to adding exchanges, you can actually add your own wallet. So you can create your own virtual wallet, add funds to it, and trade it right off the platform. And if you want to sync your own exchange, again, here are the ones available for you right now: Binance, Coinbase, Pro, FTX, Mercado, Bitcoin, and Novadax. So they give you all the instructions you need. All of these are connected through APIs. If you're not familiar with that, again, they have instructions for each exchange, so you can easily do that. So all of these platforms, you know, have a chart. We already know that. What's new there? Well, that's not really where I'm like the most excited to utilize this Vector platform. It is more so about this on-chain data. That's what's so critical and crucial about this platform that you get with the Vector Pro. And it's only $24.95, almost 25 bucks for the Pro level. And all of what you get is definitely worth that price. So if you go under tools, I want you to click tools and click network data. That's where you'll get this very, very powerful tool right here. Gives you a whole bunch of gems here, let me tell you. So I'm going to expand this so we can see the full screen, and bring this back a little bit, and bring this back a little bit, slide over to the right so you can see more of what's going on here. But look at all of these various on-chain metrics you are able to overlay on your chart. So currently we are looking at the hash rate for Bitcoin. You can play around with seeing if there's some correlation with hash rate and the actual price of Bitcoin. There sometimes is a correlation there. You have stuff like average UTXO per day. This is for Bitcoin, and again, you can do this for any other pairs that you want, and that's what's so great about it. You can look at stuff like value per transaction. This is a neat tool here, and each vertical line there denotes the month. So it's showing you February right here. We got January, and it's showing you the average value per transaction. I'm loving this. This shows you the actual on-chain activity for a particular pair. This can give you some very competitive edges within the trading game. This one may be one of the best ones to look at because it shows you the exchange flow in, and that means how many Bitcoins are going into the exchange. That could possibly show you that the people are looking to send Bitcoin to an exchange to sell. And if you look back here on January 30th, we saw a huge spike in number of Bitcoin sent to exchanges. And since then, we've seen a downturn in the crypto market. So again, these types of things can be utilized for you to get that competitive edge you need. You don't see this on TradingView. You can only get this so far that I've seen on platforms like Vector. You can even change it from daily to weekly, and all types of filters you can do here for this type of metric. So very detailed platform here. So I want you to get over to vectorcrypto.com. I'll have a link in the description below to my personalized landing page where you will get 30 days free, 30 days free of this tool. It's the pro level, so that's $24 a month, almost 25 bucks a month. You get for 30 days for free. So I'm basically giving you 25 bucks to play around with this bad boy. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is it better than TradingView? What are the pros? What are the cons? I'm just loving that on-chain data. That is helping me out big time. And again, try it out. If you want to sync your account to it, if you have a Binance or maybe even a Coinbase Pro for my US citizens, check it out, sync it up, and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And that's another trading tool alert. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I'm out of here. Holla!